Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Rabbi Jidni Ilma. This is Johra Jaffer, teacher of class 5, English version, Shahjatpur branch, Lightfield School. My dear students of class 5, today we will learn about weather and climate from chapter 11. Weather affects how you dress and what to do. Using the experience on climate, we can decide when we have to cultivate which crops. Relationship between weather and climate. Question: how do you use weather forecast? Activity: using weather forecast. What to do? What kind of weather do you expect for Dhaka based on the weather forecast below? There is a map of Bangladesh on page 73. 8 divisions of Bangladesh have been mentioned here from Rangpur to Chattogram. At the bottom of the map, there is the Bay of Bengal, maximum or minimum temperature and weather forecast for 24th February 2015. Discussion: when is the best time of year to plan a picnic? Why? What is the usual weather condition of Bangladesh in February? Summary: weather. Weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. Therefore, weather is different in different places and at different time of the day. Climate. Climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. Climate can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. Weather and climate are not the same, though there is a close relation between them. Weather is the condition of sky and the atmosphere of a place for a short time. Climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. Climatologically, the rainy season of Bangladesh starts in the middle of June, beginning of Ashar, and ends in August, that is Sabon, Bhadro. Air pressure and wind. Air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the air pressing down on the Earth's surface. Wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. What makes high and low pressure of air? Activity: heating sand and water. What to do? Fill one tray with sand 1 cm deep and another tray with water 1 cm deep. Place 2 trays under the sunlight. After 20 to 30 minutes, compare the warmth of water and sand surface by using pump. One tray is full of water and another tray is full of sand. We can conclude that the land or sand heats up and cools down faster than the water. Low pressure and high pressure. During the daytime, land becomes warmer than the water. Low pressure develops over the land. On the other hand, air over the ocean is cooler and heavier. The high pressure develops over the ocean. The wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. At night, the land is cooler than the ocean. Therefore, high pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. There are two pictures on page 76 about the southwest and northeast monsoon. The components of weather and climate. We have already learned about the weather components such as temperature, humidity, wind, cloud, rain and air pressure. The components of weather are also the components of climate. Is there any relationship among the weather components? Activity: humidity and rainfall. What to do? Observe monthly rainfall and average humidity in Dhaka as shown in table below. This is a table about humidity and rainfall from January to December. Monthly rainfall in millimeter, monthly average humidity in percentage. Humidity is the measure of how much moisture is in the air. The lower the humidity, the lesser the moisture in the air. During rainy season, the monthly average humidity and rainfall is higher than those in other months. Extreme weather. Each of the weather components changes all the time. When one of the weather components changes beyond a normal range, we experience the severe or extreme weather. We face various damages such as loss of human life and resources. Heat wave and cold wave. A heat wave is a prolonged period of excessively hot weather. We experience heat wave every year, but we face extraordinary spells of heat wave that may occur only once a century. Occurrences of extreme low temperature in association with incursion of dry cold winds from north into our country are known as cold waves. Flood and drought. In every rainy season, about 1/5 of Bangladesh is flooded, and extreme years, 2/3 of land can be submerged in flood water. It is because of our topography and climate. A usually long period of dry weather is called as drought. Droughts are due to abnormally less rainfall and higher temperature than usual. This is a picture of a flood affected area, and this is a picture of drought in Bangladesh. Nor'wester or Kal Boishakhi. Thunderstorms which is common during summer in our country is known as nor'wester or Kal Boishakhi. Nor'wester grows by surface heating. It is more frequent in the late afternoon. The size of nor'wester is from several kilometers to 20 kilometers. Tornado. Tornado is a narrow, violent, funnel-shaped column of spiral winds. This wind extends downward from a cumulonimbus to the ground. The size of tornado is usually less than 1 kilometer. Cyclone. Cyclone is a large, low-pressure system and a revolving storm that consists of numerous thunderstorms. The size of the cyclone is 500 to 800 kilometers. Cyclones are created by getting heat and water vapor from the warm Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. This is a picture of tropical cyclone, and this is a picture of tornado. Now we are going to the exercise. Number 1, put a tick mark on the correct answer. What does air temperature mean? A. How much hot or cold? More vapors or less vapors? Heavy or light air? Sunlight bring bright or dim? We know the answer is how much hot or cold.